County snowplows are making tremendous progress. We're told crews are now shifting to feeder roads than to neighborhood streets. Now take a look at this. A plow just went by a few moments ago. However, side streets like this one remain untouched.
It's got a little layer on top of it.
Digging out is hard to do in Towson. It's tough because there's a layer of ice on top. Just ask little Anna.
Is it hard?
Oh, she's focused.
Igloo building snow. Yeah, there's a nice hard layer on it. You got to kind of force your foot down. So I'd say the kids might be out sledding and sink in a little bit, but you could build an igloo in this snow for sure.
Walking was almost a sure-footed way to get around. Some hoofed it where they thought the sidewalk was. Others found a narrow path on the street.
Tricky. Yeah, it's piled high. If you step in the wrong place, you sink right down. Wear boots.
Bundle up.
Bundle up.
Bundle up. Cover your skin. It's cold and the wind is picking up, so.
There was nothing easy about this either. Snow blowers can create blizzard conditions, and sometimes the ice neutralizes them. It's so slick, wheels spin in place.
Putting the weight on the back end of the snowblower, trying to balance down and push down as it goes forward, and you rock it in and out of the snow.
Dan Benedict's not only cleared driveways, he cut a path around the block so his neighbors had a place to walk their dogs. Chopping accompanied the scraping of a shovel. Plastic on asphalt, the sound of pay dirt.
I love it. I actually grew up in the Northeast, so I was looking forward to the big storm.
Drivers who put too much trust in their tires and skills ended up like this. Early Monday, more than 70% of Baltimore County roads were passable. Now take a look at York Road, for example. Downtown Towson looked clear as well. The county has 500 pieces of equipment and 600 people working on clearing snow on 2,700 miles of roadway. The strategy, major thoroughfares, feeder roads, then residential areas. In the meantime,
We've heard there's good sledding across the street, so we might walk and go over there.
the county does not plow alleys or private roads. The county residents are advised to slide their trash schedule ahead one day. County officials say ride services and the Towson Loop are canceled for Tuesday. Reporting from Towson, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.